is happening, everyone? Oh man, well, we are back at it. It is Saturday. uh, we got little man right there. We are getting ready to show you guys what we've been doing and everything else. Alrighty, well, as you can see, motor training, everything's in. She does run. Everything else, as you can see right here, for some odd reason, my alternator is totally different. This is on the bolt pattern this time. So, my belt's loose. I have no more tension here. So I went to O'Reilly's and got a shorter belt, everything else, and we're getting ready to go ahead and put that on right now, and then we're gonna fire up the old girl for you. Well, I'm gonna loosen her up just a little bit. Alrighty, well, got everything done. You know, that actually, that right there, that belt is the same belt that was just on the truck. That was way too loose. Let's just say I just moved the alternator in a different area and got all my tension back. So I just moved the alternator from the bottom hole, which technically that's where it was at, to the top one, and got to where it brought it up, took out the slack, and now I'm able to move the alternator and get it tight to where it'll sit there and take up the rest of the slack. Alright, well, you heard it. She is running. We're trying to get everything done. There's a race September 2nd, back of the track, pour your own puddle race. They got multiple classes. They got small tire, extreme street, modern, muscle, hard tire, something else. Like extreme street, I think it's like $150 buy-in. But we're trying to get it ready, and we're going to do some no prep racing with it. Hopefully, if she pans out, wants to make me proud. But what do you think about her, bub?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Mm-hmm. You ready for what?
Racing.
You ready to hurt some people's feelings with this truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well, this truck right here, it used to hurt a lot of people's feelings. $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, hell, sometimes $50,000 cars on a $5,000 bill. It's what you call a shit box. But she hurt a lot of people's feelings back then. It's time to do it again. But I'm gonna let you know on something. I'm trying to get out of this light here, but on every new build, there's always going to be a little bit of a hiccup, and don't let that discourage you and everything else, because needless to say, it discouraged me, and it's shit doesn't go right all the time. This ain't no fairy fairy tale shit. Shit's gonna happen, and you guys gotta know that it just, you can't put a motor in and think you're gonna fire it up and it's gonna run perfect. You don't have to do crap to it, because you're gonna have you're gonna have to mess with the timing just to get it to fire up. And then you gotta go off the base. Then you just gotta figure out where your timing's at. So, this truck here, she did not want to fire up. It literally took me 2 different sets of spark plugs, a lot of curse words, and finally she decided to, I guess, make me happy a little bit, just a tad. But I'm going to show you something here because this is a part that I just got and I'm not happy with it. Alright, I know this is a wire mess. This is one thing I gotta do. Okay? But these valve covers here, I put these, they're reusable rubber gaskets with a metal insert, and I am not happy with it because that side right there, the passenger side, I had to pull the valve cover back off and put my other valve cover back on it, gasket, because I lost one. I don't know where it went, and needless to say, this place is neglected. It needs really a good cleanup. But needless to say, one gasket walked off. I don't know where it's at, but they don't seal. Like, you're not supposed to put no Permatex, no nothing on it, and just put them on and then go with it. Well, needless to say, no, these valve cover gaskets are junk, and I hate to say it but I have to find my other one because my driver's side valve cover is leaking. And needless to say, well, I do a lot of business with them, and they always do me good, but this one part, it's yeah, it's like that tire commercial where that old lady, I think it's Tire Rack commercial, Discount Tire or something, where she throws that tire through the window. Well, I'm going to do that with these valve cover gaskets. It ain't going to do nothing to it, but yeah, you get my drift. I'm not very happy about these valve cover gaskets after paying some decent money for them. And then them leaking. So, otherwise, that's my rant. She is running. I got right there, old boy right there. Hey, he's out here helping Dad. We got to get the Kubota, and we got to do some cleanup around the house, move some wood, and yeah. So I'm going to cut this video short. Just to let you guys know, she is running. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, everything. And thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. You guys have a great day.